Navigating USA Import Regulations for Medical Devices, Essential Insights. In this session, we'll provide an in-depth overview of import regulations governing medical devices in the USA, offering crucial insights for importers in this specialized sector. Understanding regulatory framework. FDA requirements. The importation of medical devices into the USA is subject to stringent regulations enforced by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Importers must comply with FDA requirements to ensure the safety and efficacy of medical devices. Compliance standards. Medical devices must meet specific compliance standards and regulations set forth by the FDA to be eligible for importation. Importers should familiarize themselves with FDA guidelines to ensure compliance throughout the import process. Key import regulations. Device classification. Medical devices are categorized into different classes based on their intended use and level of risk. Importers must determine the appropriate classification for their devices to ensure compliance with FDA regulations. Pre-market approval. Some medical devices require pre-market approval or clearance from the FDA before they can be imported and marketed in the USA. Importers should follow the FDA's pre-market approval process to obtain necessary clearances for their devices. Documentation and labeling requirements. Device listing. Importers must list their medical devices with the FDA and provide detailed information about the devices, including manufacturing processes and intended use. Accurate device listing is essential for FDA oversight and regulatory compliance. Labeling compliance. Medical device labels must comply with FDA regulations, including proper labeling of device components, instructions for use, and safety warnings. Importers should ensure that device labeling meets FDA requirements to facilitate customs clearance and ensure patient safety. Quality systems requirements. Importers must adhere to the FDA's Quality System Regulation, which establishes quality system requirements for the design, manufacture, and distribution of medical devices. Compliance with QSR standards is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of medical devices. Good manufacturing practices, GMP. Medical device manufacturers must follow good manufacturing practices outlined by the FDA to maintain consistent product quality and safety. Importers should verify that their suppliers adhere to GMP standards to ensure the integrity of their medical devices. Importing medical devices into the USA requires compliance with stringent FDA regulations and import requirements. By understanding the regulatory framework and adhering to FDA requirements, importers can ensure smooth customs clearance and compliance with healthcare regulations. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into customs compliance and international trade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for further informative content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next video.